Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and this is my step side from my 1961 Chevy Apache. Got it all stripped down. It had pressure treated wood in the bed, and honestly I thought I would leave it, but I was talking to Lynn, and he's like, "Man, just do it right. Let's get rid of all of that." And luckily we did because he was right. The end boards that are underneath the side rails were rotten. They were the original boards. They were rotten, and I wouldn't have known that had I not taken it apart. So you can see I removed the head or the up by the cab, and I've already got the tailgate off and the cross members. Just lots of bolts. Some of them broke. That's 60-year-old metal, so some of them broke in the process. Here you can see this a close up. There's just two bolts holding this on, and I'm just going to take a Sawzall and cut those, and that will take that last cross member out. And then on the other end, had to do some research to figure out there's a weld, and I think I got a close up here. Yeah, there's a weld on each side. So in the next section of video, Lynn's gonna get the grinder. I'm gonna shoot the video, and he's gonna grind those off, and that's what he's doing here. So he's cutting those off, and on both left and right. So I couldn't find any video on YouTube's that showed this. I did find one. Actually, Lynn found one on Brother's Truck for the fleet side. Same process, but that's how we figured out how to do it. Figured that's what it was, but I'm always a little cautious. Don't want to attack something until I better understand it. So anyway, Lynn's cutting the weld here, and then we've got this completely dismantled. And you can see that angle iron there. I guess you'd call it angle iron, the L-shaped metal there on the top of the screen that goes down the bed rail. Those are spot riveted along about every 3 inches or so. And the video I took of that didn't come out very good, but had to remove that as well. And then that's the last step. So Lynn's got it loose. I'm going to have to turn off the camera here in order to hold this, so we can break it down. So it's going to switch here in a second. I'm going to just stall for a second as we pull this apart. So now you can see it's all broken down. So I got the sides, and amazingly enough, it's really good shape. The metal's really good. It's not no through rust, just surface rust. So I'm going to take this to get it media blasted, and we're going to keep on keeping on. Thanks again for watching. Any questions, comments, leave them below. Thanks again.